Hello, staff members at Paradise and Salisbury Elementary Schools. Today I'm going to show you how you can allow your students to showcase their work that you're storing on Drive in your classrooms. They will also be able to see this work from anywhere in the world once you have taught them these upcoming steps. The first thing you're going to want to show them is how to open up any internet browser. Since you're storing things on Drive, I'm sure they already know how to do this. However, I'm going to use Safari today, so I'm simply going to click that open. I'm going to navigate to drive.google.com in my address bar. Something you're going to want to make sure that you show all your students is that this is the URL bar or the address bar where they want to type. Sometimes a browser might have a search bar over here. It won't do them any harm if they put it in the search bar, as it will result in showing them drive.google.com in the search results, but it'll just be a lot easier for them to type it right here in the URL bar. So we're going to type it there, and I'm going to initiate that. And it should pull up a screen that looks like this. I've been signed in to Drive quite a few times, so it already has my information stored here. Your students will not have that same thing. So what they'll have to do is type in their first name, underscore symbol, which is shift and the hyphen. So you hold shift and press the hyphen, which will produce an underscore, their last name, and at pequayvalley.net are their accounts. In the password, their password will be the letters PV and then their student number. So an example of that is PV1201234. Theirs will obviously be different than PV1201234, but that's just an example. My account's a .org, so I'm going to have to change this to show you the upcoming step. Once they've correctly put in their information, making sure they've spelled everything correct. Something that our students miss a lot is this E, or misspell the last 3 in Pequay. So you'll want to show them that as well. Then they're going to click sign in after they've made sure everything's correct. And if they've logged in successfully, you should see this screen displayed. This is their Drive home base. And I can tell that I'm at the correct place because my Drive is highlighted here in red. If something else comes up on this sidebar highlighted in red, I can simply click my Drive and it'll generate this screen. From there, they can easily showcase anything that they're proud of and they want to show their parents, relatives, friends, you name it. As long as their parents say it's okay, they can showcase it. They'll simply come over to this right pane, the large main part of the window, scroll up and down and find what they want. Once they find what they want, they're going to hover over it and highlight the contents in blue. Once the contents are in blue, contents meaning the name, you're going to just click on that name and it should open in a new window. And here's my document that I'm really proud of. And I can talk to my parents about what this was or what we did in class to make this document. I could show my friends, or the other option I have, with parent permission of course, is to use the share feature and share this document with, let's say, a relative that lives in a different state. I've had students come into class and tell me already that they've shared things with aunts and uncles that live across the country in Minnesota, and they simply would type that person's email address in. And if this was a real email address, I would click share and save, and then their name would pop up in this list and they would have that document as well and they could see it. So those are the quick and easy steps to show your students how to showcase their work on drive.google.com by navigating from an internet browser on any internet enabled device. Thank you for watching, and I hope these steps helped you. If you have any questions, refer back to the presentation first, and then, if there are still questions, you can come and see me at any time. Thank you very much.